like it. Because first you remove it, and then when you see the green brush, don't light it inside, light it outside. Then you can light it.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So you've got your explosives, right? All right. I've got my fireworks as well. This is a massive one.
Illusion missile.
It's called illusion missiles. You see. So it's proper big. It's going to make a loud bang. Can you guys see?
Just like the other one. They must
So-
have used the laser missile.
So just wait for it. Yeah, wait for it. When we go outside now, we're going to light it up. So I'm going to get the light. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there.
Adult safety.
Yeah, adult safety, that's right. So you put it like there, it burns through, right? And it does that bang! Massive bang, isn't it? So
Bang!
who wants to go first?
Me.
Alright, okay, let's do Tatiana first. Okay, let's do outside guy.